little friends. Are you ready to learn something new today? If you are ready, press the like button and let's get started.
A is for artist, painting with bright hues. B is for baker, baking bread and cakes too. C is for chef, cooking yummy meals. D is for driver, steering the wheels. E is for engineer, building bridges and towers. F is for firefighter, saving people with their powers. G is for gardener, growing plants and trees. H is for hairdresser, cutting hair with ease. I is for inventor, creating something new. J is for janitor, keeping places neat and true. K is for king, wearing a crown of pride. L is for librarian, where all the books hide. M is for musician, playing a sweet tune. N is for nurse, helping us heal soon. O is for optician, helping us see clear. P is for pilot, flying up far and near. U is for queen, leading with grace. R is for roofer, fixing every place. S is for scientist, exploring the why. T is for teacher, helping us reach the sky. U is for umpire, watching every game. V is for vet, caring for pets just the same. W is for writer, telling stories oh so bright. X is for x-ray technician, making bones show in light. Is for yogi, stretching with a peaceful smile. Z is for zookeeper, caring for animals all the while.